The ongoing trial of Donald Trump in Manhattan has sparked considerable debate, yet one crucial aspect has received relatively little attention: the potential outcome, specifically the possibility of a former president facing jail time. This case, led by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, marks the first instance in American history where a former president stands as a defendant in a criminal trial. The trial's legal strength, integrity, and potential impact on Trump's future presidential ambitions have stirred widespread discussion. An analysis of numerous New York cases involving similar felonies suggests that if Trump is found guilty, imprisonment is indeed a realistic possibility, though not guaranteed. While jury selection is underway, it's timely to discuss the potential sentencing implications for Trump, the upcoming election, and the nation, including scenarios if he were to be re-elected. The case centers on alleged interference in the 2016 election, particularly a hush money payment made by Trump's former fixer, Michael Cohen, to porn star Stormy Daniels. Bragg argues that this cover-up deprived voters of the opportunity to fully evaluate Trump's candidacy. Although this is the first criminal trial of a former president in U.S. history, Trump's fate upon conviction would likely be determined by standard sentencing factors in New York State Court. One significant factor is how comparable cases have been treated. While these cases often involve additional charges, there are precedents where individuals face jail time for similar offenses, albeit less serious than those alleged against Trump. The severity of the crime is crucial. Bragg alleges that Trump's actions constituted an attempt to unlawfully influence the 2016 presidential election by concealing vital information from voters. Trump's history and character, characterized by a lack of remorse and repeated legal controversies, may also influence sentencing considerations. A term of imprisonment for a former president, while uncertain, remains a possibility. Potential sentences range from probation to several years, depending on various factors such as Trump's testimony and the judge's assessment of his credibility. The sentencing outcome, expected within 30 to 60 days of the trial's conclusion, may carry significant implications, particularly amid an election year. The public reaction to a potential Trump conviction and subsequent sentencing would likely mirror the nation's polarized political landscape. If convicted and losing the presidential election, Trump could be granted bail pending appeal, potentially serving his sentence starting the following year. However, if re-elected, Trump's ability to challenge his sentence would complicate the situation, raising questions about accountability for his alleged election interference. Ultimately, if Trump is convicted and sentenced to incarceration, it could profoundly influence voter decisions in the upcoming election, prompting Americans to weigh whether he should be held accountable for his actions regarding the original election interference.